some help too? Can you hold yours? No. Lisa's gonna have to help you. I get the snow.
Ava, what is that?
A snowman.
Look at me.
But she can't lift it. It got too big.
That's too big, huh?
For her, she can't lift it up. Lisa's gonna have to come back and help her. At least got hers up. I wouldn't do that, Ava. You might not be able to stop it this time.
I'm not doing it.
You know what you can do? You can roll it over there.
I'm going to go in the backyard and go in.
Good luck.
Ugh.
You're gonna need some help, girl.